no signal.
The National Weather
I'm sorry,
Service
no
in Birmingham
sound quality.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Blount County in Alabama, Etowah County in northeast Alabama, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Albertville and moving south at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rainbow City, Gadsden, Oaks Bluff, Smead, Susan Moore, Sardis City, Walnut Grove, and Tabor Road. This includes Interstate 59 exit numbers 181 through 188. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Blount County, Alabama. A severe